What if Earth collided with Venus? In the vastness of space, Earth and Venus slowly drift closer together. Side by side, the two planets reveal their striking similarities in size and form. On Earth, gigantic tidal waves rise higher than mountains as Venus approaches. Cities tremble with massive earthquakes as the ground splits apart. Volcanoes erupt violently, spewing fire and ash into the sky. Darkness covers the planet as thick ash clouds block out the sun. On the horizon, Venus looms enormous and terrifying in Earth's sky. Astronomers peer through telescopes in shock, watching the approaching world. Desperate rockets launch into the heavens as humanity tries to escape. Monster tsunamis smash into coastal cities, drowning everything in their path. From the moon, a breathtaking view shows Earth and Venus on a deadly course. The moment of impact arrives as the two planets collide in a fiery explosion. Shockwaves ripple through the cosmos, shaking the nearby worlds. Continents vanish, instantly vaporized by unimaginable energy. Oceans of lava spread across the scarred surface of the merged world. A glowing molten super-Earth begins to take shape from the chaos. Plumes of burning debris blast into the darkness of space. Fragments of rock and molten metal swirl around the newborn planet. From the wreckage, a new moon begins to form in orbit. Astronauts watch in silence from space, unable to save their home. Even Mars in the distance feels the echo of the great impact. Earth-like lands turn into boiling seas under toxic skies. A bright glowing ring of molten debris circles the fiery planet. Underground shelters collapse as quakes and heat consume humanity. A cosmic comparison reveals the massive new super-Earth beside other planets. From far above the solar system, we see Earth and Venus reborn as a single blazing world.